வணக்கம். 9th Standard Science English Medium Unit 10 Matter Around Us. Textbook exercises. Choose the correct answer. The separation of denser particles from lighter particles done by rotation at high speed is called as. Here 4 options are given. We have to choose the correct one. The answer is answer D, centrifugation. The separation of denser particles from lighter particles done by rotation at high speed is called centrifugation. Second question. Among the following, dash is a mixture. Here 4 options are given: common salt, juice, carbon dioxide, pure silver. Here answer is option B, juice. Juice is a mixture. Third question. When we mix a drop of ink in water, we get a dash. Answer C, homogeneous mixture. When we mix a drop of ink in water, we get a homogeneous mixture. Dash is essential to perform separation by solvent extraction method. Answer option A, separating funnel. Separating funnel. Dash has the same properties throughout the sample. Answer option A, pure substance. Pure substance has the same properties throughout the sample. State whether true or false. If false, correct the statement. Question number 1. Oil and water are immiscible with each other. Answer true. A compound cannot be broken into simpler substances chemically. False. Answer, the correct statement is a compound can be broken into simpler substances chemically. Third question. Liquid colloids are called gel. Answer false. Not liquid colloids, it is solid colloids. Liquid solid colloids are called gels. Fourth question. Buttermilk is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Answer true. Fifth question. Aspirin is composed of 60% carbon, 4.5% hydrogen and 35.5% oxygen by mass. Aspirin is a mixture. Answer false. The correct statement is aspirin is composed of 60% carbon, 4.5% hydrogen and 35.5% oxygen by mass. Aspirin is a compound. Aspirin is a compound. Match the following. Here column A and column B are given. In column A, element, compound, colloid, suspension and mixture are given. In column B, settles down on standing, impure substance made up of molecules, pure substance made up of atoms are given. They have to match it correctly. Let us see the answer. Element made up of atoms. Compound made up of molecules. Compound made up of molecules. Colloid, pure substance. Colloid, pure substance. Suspension, settles down on standing. Settles down on standing. Mixture, impure substance. Mixture, impure substance. Fill in the blanks. A dash mixture has no distinguishable boundary between its components. Answer, homogeneous. homogeneous mixture has no distinguishable boundary between its components. Second question. An example of a substance that sublimes is dash. Answer, dry ice. Alcohol can be separated from water by dash. Answer, fractional distillation. Fourth question. In petroleum refining, the method of separation used is dash, fractional distillation. In petroleum refining, the method of separation used is fractional distillation. Chromatography is based on the principle of dash. Answer, different solubilities in the same solvent. Different solubilities in the same solvent. Answer very briefly. First question. Differentiate between absorption and adsorption. Absorption. Particle of the substance is concentrated surface of the another substance. Adsorption. Substance is uniformly distributed throughout the another substance. Second question. Define sublimation. The direct change of a solid to gaseous state without attaining liquid state. The vapors, when cooled, give back solid substance. This process is called sublimation. Example, iodine, camphor. Third question. A few drops of Dettol, when added to water, the mixture turns turbid. Why? Answer. The oil droplets of Dettol get suspended in water and create an emulsion. Fourth question. Name the apparatus that you will use to separate the compounds of mixtures containing two immiscible liquids. Second one, immiscible liquids. Miscible liquid, fractional distillation. Immiscible liquid, separating funnel. Fifth question. Name the components in each of the following mixtures. Ice cream, lemonade, earth, soil. Mixtures, components, type of mixture. Ice cream. Components are milk, sugar, water. Type of mixture, homogeneous mixture. Lemonade. Components, lemon juice, sugar, water. Type of mixture, homogeneous mixture. Mixture air. Components, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. Type of mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Soil. Components, sand, silt, clay and salts. Type of mixture, homogeneous mixture. Answer briefly. Which of the following are pure substances? Answer, ice, milk, iron, hydrochloric acid, mercury, brick and water. Here, iron, Fe, hydrochloric acid HCl, mercury Hg and water H2O. Second question. Oxygen is very essential for us to live. It forms 21% of air by volume. Is it an element or compound? Answer, oxygen is an element. Third question. You have just won a medal made of 22 karat gold. Have you just procured a pure substance or impure substance? 22 karat gold metals is made up of 91.6% gold and 8.54% of other metals. Fourth question. How will you separate a mixture containing sawdust, naphthalene and iron filings. By using magnetic separation, iron fillings can be removed from sawdust and naphthalene. By using sublimation process, we can separate naphthalene from sawdust. Fifth question. How are homogeneous solutions different from heterogeneous solution? Explain with examples. Homogeneous solution, heterogeneous solution, homogeneous solution. The composition remains uniform throughout. Heterogeneous solution, the composition does not remain uniform throughout. Homogeneous solution, the components cannot be separated by visible boundaries. Heterogeneous solution, the components can be separated by visible boundaries. Homogeneous solution, invisible components to naked eye. Heterogeneous solution, visible components to naked eye. Homogeneous solution, example, a mixture of salt and water. Heterogeneous solution, example, a mixture of sand, sugar, chalk and water. Answer in detail. First question. Write the differences between elements and compounds and give an example for each. Elements contains only one kind of atoms. Compounds contains more than one kind of atoms. Elements, it is pure. Compounds, it is impure. Elements cannot be broken by physical and chemical method. Compounds can be broken by physical and chemical method. Elements represented using symbols. Compounds using a formula. Example, elements, example, sodium. Compounds, example, sodium chloride. Second question, explain Tyndall effect and Brownian movement with suitable diagram. Tyndall effect, when a strong beam of light is focused on a colloidal solution, the path of the beam becomes visible. This phenomenon is known as Tyndall effect. The path of light is visible due to scattering of light by colloidal particles. The colloidal particles become self-luminous due to absorption of light energy, which is then scattered from their surface. The maximum scattered intensity in the plane is at right angle to the path of light, and thus the path becomes visible when observed from the sides. Brownian movement. It is a kinetic property. When colloidal solutions are viewed under powerful microscope, it can be seen that colloidal particles are moving constantly and rapidly in zigzag directions. The Brownian movement of particles is due to the unbalanced bombardment of the particles by the molecules of dispersion medium. How is a mixture of common salt, oil and water separated? You can use a combination of different methods. Separation of oil from the mixture. This can be done by using a separating funnel. A repasting funnel is taken. The lid is opened and the given mixture is poured into it. The funnel is shaken well. Oil layer will float over water layer. The stopcock is opened to collect salty water first. After this, oil layer is collected in another beaker. Separation of salt from water. The salty water is taken in the distillation flask and heated for boiling. The pure water vapor passes through the inner tube of the condenser. This on cooling condenses into pure water and gets collected in a receiver. The salt is left behind in the flask as a residue which can be collected separately. Thank you.